It is true that market is in that confusing state. It is true that Bitcoin has been chopping in this sideways consolidation from last 96 days. And yes, it is difficult to make money while trading. But if your strategy is correct, then you will end up making money like we are, like everyone who's watching this channel. Guys, just zoom out. If you're confused, just zoom out. See how Bitcoin has been respecting this golden trend line since the beginning of the bull market, which is November 2022. Yes, we have had taps on the trend line, but every single time the price has resulted towards the upside. And remember that the funding right now is in negative, and whenever you see funding negative, we see the price moving towards the upside. It has happened many times. We have covered this on Twitter, we have covered this on Discord, and now I'm telling this on YouTube as well, that we will be going towards the upside for sure. But where are the subs going? The subs have to go towards the upside as well. Guys, make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you're new, and if you're rewatching this content or rewatching on this channel, like the video, and without wasting any time, let's go. Yes, your favorite influencer was calling October as Uptober. Obviously, but it's not happening. October is red right now. Why? Look at the data, guys. October 2017, 2021, 2025, dump. Same chart, same structure, same setup. And then in November, we move towards the upside for altcoins. Even if you look at the Bloomberg data, this is the third time that BTC has been negative halfway through October in the last 6 years. And every single time, it ended up green by October 31st, which means that a massive rally is incoming. Is it really incoming? I don't know. I'm not sure about that. But what I'm sure about is that my trades are stupid limit orders, which are actually conservative strategy, and they're going to make money for sure, right? We shouldn't be worried about the bear market right now. This is not a 4-year halving cycle anymore. We are in a different kind of cycle because we have got institutions. We've got different kind of players playing this market. So it's no more 4-year cycle. Don't be worried about that. All season is going to come. If you actually compare Russell 2000 index with Ethereum, you will see how Russell is leading at the moment and breaking towards the all-time highs, whereas Ethereum is literally consolidating at the all-time highs, right? It's the same scenario. It's the same scenario which happened in the previous bull market as well. So I'm actually not scared. I'm not scared. I have my spot portfolio, which has got my high conviction bets, and at the same time, I'm trading as well all the time on my Twitter, on YouTube, and in Discord as well. So I'm not scared at all. What makes me question a couple of things is gold. Look at this chart. This is the most bullish chart you will see in the markets right now. After this massive consolidation which ended in 2022, gold has never seen back. Gold has been going up ever since. And this is a parabolic move, but it is going to end. And I'm going to give a prediction today. It is going to end soon. You see, people are queuing up to buy gold in Sydney, like literally queuing up to buy gold. We have seen people queuing up to buy iPhones, and now we're seeing people queuing up to buy gold. What the hell is happening in the world right now? Why are people queuing up to buy gold? Is it so much uncertainty? No, people are just stupid. People buy when something is going towards the top. That is the retail behavior, right? And we understand that. So gold is exploding and Bitcoin will follow much harder. Why? Because we understand, and we've been talking about it, that how Bitcoin lags behind gold. And that's a 90-day lag. So when gold is going up, there's a 90-day lag with Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin follows as well. That is what happens. And in my opinion, gold is very close to a top. You see, gold silver should be just a week or two now from a big local top, followed by a gold sell-off, which is going to last for 3 to 6 months. I'm not saying it's going to last for three to 6 months. Maybe it's a massive consolidation, but I think this mania is going to stop soon, right? This mania is going to stop soon. Another thing, if you look at the data, right now, the call put ratio for gold is literally at the all-time highs. The volume is crazy, and same is with silver as well. You can see it in the chart. So there is so much volume, there is so much trading going on, and we know whenever these ratios go towards the all-time highs, whenever the volume is towards the all-time highs, that means either a bottom is coming or a top is coming. And in gold's and silver's case, it's obviously the top which is coming. You can also look at the RSI. This is a beautiful, beautiful table. Gold's weekly RSI, which is the 14-week RSI, is currently sitting at 85, the highest reading in last 20 years. This usually led to at least at least a pullback for gold. And the pullback lasts for at least 15 to 20%. What's going to happen if gold actually falls? If gold actually falls, then obviously, risk-ons will go up, because that is how the market works. Risk-off and risk-ons are usually not correlated, right? So if risk-ons are going to go up, risk-offs are either going to consolidate or go towards the downside. And now when gold goes towards the downside or consolidates, risk-ons will take the stage. And that is what I am predicting. But we've got Trump. This guy has been so manipulative in the markets. I'm actually furious, and sometimes I literally laugh at what he says. And now he said that the US is in trade war with China. Absolutely amazing. He can solve all of this, but he doesn't want to. Now he's speaking again. He's making an announcement today, 3 p.m. ET. So he's going to come up with some stupid thing again. And the markets are going to be super volatile. So all I want you guys is to make sure that you're following your risk management while taking trades, while taking any kind of trade, right? Now, government shutdown. Government shutdown is, for some people, it's a nothing burger. And for some people, they're taking it super seriously. In my opinion, it is a serious situation, because this might be the biggest government shutdown that we have ever seen. And Polymarket is saying that it's going to last for at least 40 days, which is the biggest shutdown. The previous biggest shutdown was 35 days. So is it a big deal? I mean, it's not a very big deal, but when the data starts to come in after the shutdown, then it's going to be a big deal, because that's going to be data after 1.5 months of no data. So that's going to be a big deal. But right now, we remain conservatively bullish in the markets. Is that even a word? I've got no idea. But what I have idea about is that we are actually making money in the markets. Yesterday, I gave the Aster trade in Discord, and guess what? We hit the TP1 super quickly. And then we hit our stop loss at break even as well. Guys. If you want 24/7 trades like these and all our thoughts in one place, then you should join Discord. The link is in the description. You can use my promo code. You will get the discount. But if you don't want to, it's okay. Don't worry about it. We are here because I'm coming here every 2 days and giving you trades. I'm going to give you the first trade now. Solana. Solana, in my opinion, is going to outperform everything. This is for spot. This is not leverage. I'm going to give you the leverage trades as well. I've got 2 leverage trades. I've got 1 spot trade, and the spot trade is Solana. You have to be in Solana. This is the narrative. This is literally going to be the chain which is going to outperform Ethereum or SUI or BTC in the coming months. I'm going to tell you why. Because of the ETFs, because of the DATs, and because of the metrics. Now we'll talk about them. First, what is the price where you should be buying Solana? You should be buying Solana right here, or at 170 as well. So both the prices. You should be dollar cost averaging into Solana spot. Now, wait, what is the stop loss? Let's talk about the stop loss too. I think 15% is a good stop loss for spot. 15% is actually a really good stop loss for spot, where you lose 15% of the capital, but if you win, you're going to win big, because this thing is going to go towards the all-time highs in Q4, right? Now, Solana tops all chains with 6.16 bill in 24-hour DEX volume. The metrics are absolutely amazing. The metrics have been killing it. I can show you so many metrics. Look at this. DEX to SEX ratio, spot trade volume right now. This is inevitable. DeFi is inevitable, and Solana is going to lead through it. Obviously, it's going to lead through it, right? This is one of the charts which I believe is one of the most bullish charts for Solana. Transactional activity. You can literally see up only line without even drawing it. It's absolutely crazy. This chart is a true reflection of Solana's unmatched scalability. Just look at it. And it's true. It's true. The metrics for Solana is crazy. You can't compare any other chain to Solana right now. Leads in every single metrics that matters. Faster, cheaper, and more efficient. You can see this table as well. Anything. TPS, average TPS, peak TPS, consensus mechanism. Well, obviously, you can't compare that. But block time, average transaction fee, in every single manner, in every single metric, Solana is absolutely doing amazing and leading against other chains, especially Ethereum. Look, you cannot have a lot of Ethereum in your portfolio and be like, I'm going to outperform the altcoin market. No, but you can have Solana ecosystem tokens, and believe that you can outperform the market. In the Solana ecosystem, I have already talked about, Pump Fund. I've already talked about Jito and Radium as well, which are my best Solana ecosystem tokens. But right now, it's best to buy Solana. If you actually want to go into the ecosystem, then yes, Pump Fund is at a good price right now for spot, but you need to be a bit patient with that. If it goes down 20%, you should be buying more. So always buy in buckets, 30%, 30%, 30%, and when you sell or when you take profits, you should be doing that in buckets as well. Remember that, guys. The second token I've got for you is Pancake Swap. Pancake Swap is actually at a very good buy level. If you look at this massive ascending triangle, it broke out and currently is retesting that triangle. Here you go. Look at that. Look at that. Don't look at this wick, because this was the biggest liquidation in the history of crypto. So it broke out, came back down, and this remains the buy level for me right here. What is the stop loss? Stop loss is 7%. 7%. And if you're on leverage, take 3x leverage, right? So 7 threes are 21%. So your stop loss becomes 21%. What are the TPs? TPs are going to be on Twitter. You need to follow my Twitter, because that is where I'm going to give you manual TPs whenever they hit. So I'm literally live trading with you guys. I'm giving you trades right here, and then I'm TPing on X so that everyone knows what's happening. We are in that loop, right? We are in that loop. You see, Pancake Swap keeps cooking. In the last 30 days, 105 bill, plus more than that trading volume, steady growth. Look at that growth, steady growth. That's towards the upside. Okay, that's consistent growth towards the upside, and that's what we want to see. Even if you look at the supply has been going down ever since 2022. 2023, supply has been going down, which is a good thing, right? So Pancake Swap should be your leverage trade as well as your spot trade. BNB ecosystem and the narrative is showing strength, so you should be playing that with the good tokens, and this is one of the best ones in the ecosystem. I've given you the levels. Please make sure you manage your risk. Don't over leverage yourself. I see a lot of people over leveraging, which is not good. Third is Tau. Now, Tau is, in my opinion, it's coming back down. It was going up. I talked about this in the previous video as well, and I said that let it come down. Let it come down a little bit and I'll be buying Tau, but I'm waiting for this bull flag creation. Why am I interested in Tau? Is because the halving is coming in literally 57 days. This tweet is from 13th of October. Today it is 16th, so 57 days. 57 days in halving, daily issuance is going to be cut from 7,200 to 3,600, and obviously you've got the ETFs as well. So Tau remains super bullish, both in terms of metrics, in terms of the price action as well, and then soon we're going to talk about this Tau subnets. When Tau consolidation is happening, we're going to talk about, I'm going to create a proper video on subnets, and that is going to be my subnet portfolio, which I'm going to create from my total portfolio, right? That's a good thing to do because we're actually following the narrative. 1.33 mil Tau has been staked in subnets so far. Tau staking yields in top subnets by emissions, all of these are the subnets, right? So in my opinion, the best one is Regis, but I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to create a proper video on this thing. Just be patient, don't be buying right now. In my opinion, we should let Tau create that consolidation phase and then let it decide what happens. So we are not in a hurry, right? We're not in a hurry. Also, social analytics, very important, the mind share. Tau is actually killing it with the mind shares. The mentions are going towards the upside. People are mentioning it a lot on Twitter and other social media websites or platforms, right? So the price action, the metrics, the mind share, everything is with Tau. And this can also bring the AI boom, the mini AI boom. And obviously we are traders. We are going to see the narrative. We're going to see the price action. We're going to trade. So guys, I'm going to give you another one, which I gave on Discord. So again, if you want to join Discord, the link is in the description. You'll get the discount as well. You cannot miss this. There are so many smart people in this Discord. You've got Ran, you've got Lucky, you've got, I'm not a smart person, but yes, me as well. Then you've got Cheetah Trades. So you've got a lot of researchers too. Okay, you've got a lot of researchers too. You shouldn't be missing this thing. And sorry, I'm marketing too much. Let me give you the trade. Sui is the trade. And the limit order is pretty simple. It's 2.45 with a stop loss of 5.3% and leverage of 5x. Guys, manage your risk. What are the TPs, Kapoor? Obviously, the TPs are going to be on my Twitter. Need to follow my Twitter because that's how I live trade. I can't be live trading here all the time, all day. So I make the video, I give you the levels, I go to my Twitter and I keep updating those levels, right? So that you know. You just turn the notifications on there and that's it. That's what you need to do. Guys, Thank you so much for watching this video until here, until the end. Now, I've given you trades, but make sure that you're following your risk management. Make sure that you're not over leveraging yourself. Sometimes I see people using 50x leverage, 100x leverage on my trades. No, my trades are not designed for 50x or 100x leverage. The leverage I give you is the perfect one. Also, make sure that you understand that this is not financial advice. Everything here is for educational purposes. And guys, like, subscribe if you're new, and see you later. Thank you so much.